Hi everyone, it's Misty here. Happy Saturday. It is the end of the month, so I'm here today to pick the winners for the month of October. Now, since I did that little bit of a bigger giveaway in my haul video, I'm keeping this to just 3 different videos, but next month it may be more. So the first video that I chose was using the Doodlebug paper pack. And the question of the day was, have you ever built a snowman? And the winner of that is Gloria, who says she has built a snowman. Fun fact, I've never built a snowman. I don't think I've ever lived anywhere where it snowed enough and was the right consistency to build one. So anyway, so the second one I chose was my Flashback Friday with the cute little penguins. And that question was penguins or polar bears? And Kathleen answered she loved the penguins. And then finally was my haul from Stamping Bella and Art Impressions. And I mentioned in that haul that I was waiting on 2 different craft companies' releases. And so 3 people actually got it right. So TJ or MJ, T. Blevins, and Jujubee. And they all guessed correctly that I was waiting on Doodlebug and Hello Bluebird. So Doodlebug has just released their Night Before Christmas collection, which I've already pre-ordered from a cherry on top. And then Hello Bluebird is releasing their Christmas on Monday, November the 2nd. So thank you guys so much for answering the questions of the day. Don't forget, every video will have a question, but not every question will have a giveaway. So I will see you guys on Monday for another card in my 2020 holiday card series.